I'm Darcy Armstrong, Public Service Manager at Eckhart Public Library, and today for Resource Week, let's take a look at a couple auto repair resources. And we go to our resource page, and then we're going to come down to Home, Auto, and Pets. This part of the resource page collects information for consumers and homeowners, including auto repair services. So first, let's take a look at Chilton Automotive Library. And this contains great information about maintenance and repair for your vehicle. You do need your Eckhart Public Library card number if you're accessing from off-site. So to search Chilton's, you want to look up the year, make, and model of your vehicle. And click Select. And the following data is available for this car. Repair information, maintenance, labor estimating tool, and bulletins and recalls. So that's really good because if you're thinking about purchasing a car, you can look up what existing recalls and bulletins are there for it. So let's go back. Let's look at the repair content. So here you would select which area you're looking for. Let's go to brakes. And you can find components, your assembly and removal. And so this is really a great resource for repair diagrams and schematics. And I won't go through anymore if you are not a car person. Another resource is the Auto Service Repair Manuals and Wiring Diagrams. That's CarDiagncom. Very similar. You want to select the make and model, and from there you can find what you're looking for in terms of workshop manuals or service repair manuals, and find PDFs of those.